Hello guys, welcome to Chizzy Delish kitchen. Today we are preparing a bright protein rich salad made with tender chicken breast, hearty black eyed beans, crisp vegetables, a light homemade dressing, and every bright flavor of life. So the first thing we have to do is begin with a fresh skinless chicken breast seasoned with a lightly salt, a pinch of black pepper and garlic. So if you have garlic, put generous amount of garlic. I like putting a lot of garlic on my chicken breast. Then you go in with all the herbs. Here I added only oregano. So I have to simmer it and cover it to simmer for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes in a bowl, you go in with fresh tomatoes, cucumber, and a carrot. Then the next thing is introduce the black eye beans and chicken breast. Then in another bowl, you add in your olive oil. Then you add the lemon. You go in with black pepper, then cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Then honey. So you have to whisk it until the mixture becomes smooth and slightly thickened. The dressing is clean, fragrant, and perfectly balanced. In a large salad bowl, pour in all the dressing evenly over the top and gently toast until everything is well coated. The result is beautiful blend of colors and aroma, fresh, nutritious, and satisfying. You can serve it immediately or chill for a few minutes to allow the flavor to blend. This salad makes an excellent light lunch, dinner, or meal prep option. Thank you for watching Chizzy Delish Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, healthy, and delicious creation. Bye.